So hi guys, welcome to my channel and thank you guys for watching. Well, today I want to show you how to make Jamaican curry chicken the Jamaican way and my way. So if you want to know how to cook some really good Jamaican curry chicken, then stay tuned and watch. Come on. So here we start off with the chicken. This is legs and thighs. I took off the skin, washed it thoroughly with vinegar and lemon juice. Okay, and then here we have seasoning that I'm going to use on there. On this side I have some red sweet peppers, onions, tomatoes, scallion, and thyme, and of course pimento seed. It's going to kick it up a notch. If you like pepper, you could put it in there if you like spicy, but I don't too like spicy, so I didn't put any spice in it. Here I have some potato that I have cut into little pieces. It's optional. If you want to put it in there, you can go ahead and put it in there. I love potatoes in my curry chicken. It kicks it up a bigger notch. Okay, so to that you're going to add a little salt. The Jamaican seasoned salt. It kicks it up all the flavor. If you're Jamaican, you have to have this in your curry chicken. Then this is the Jamaican curry powder that I use. It's not too spicy. Black pepper. Garlic, chopped garlic, and of course you have to add your vinegar to your dish. It's going to kick it up like a big notch right there. Using my oil, putting my oil in. This is a vegetable oil. You could use whatever you want to use, but this is what I choose to use right now. So I just had a little bit, not too much. Then to that, I'm going to add my curry powder. And the reason why I put my curry powder in first, a lot of people is sensitive to curry powder. Sometimes it gives them stomach ache and all that stuff. So if you burn your curry first for a few minutes, not burn it, just kind of take off that top off of it, then your stomach will digest the curry easier. So that's why I choose to put my, all that's in here is just the oil and the curry powder. And just kind of letting it cook that curry for about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to add the chicken. Onions, red peppers, tomatoes, thyme, pimento seed, scallion, all in there all at once. And then I had my potatoes. This is a teaspoon of chopped garlic. Jamaican flavor enhancer, of course. They call it seasoned salt in Jamaica. So of course this is the black pepper. You could use any one of your choice. And I just sprinkle it on. This is white vinegar that I'm using. But again, you could use any kind of vinegar that you want as long as it's white vinegar. It doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm just going to put maybe a tablespoon of that in there. Of course, some salt. Maybe not too much. And then you work all of that in. I'm going to add about 4 ounces of water to that. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of butter. You could use any kind that you want to use. Now we're going to let this, I covered it up As you can see, the lid is nice and tight. And this is going to be checked every 15 minutes. What we want it to look like. The potatoes, the onions, and everything is all blended in. Another 15 minutes, and we're all ready. Okay, so with my curry chicken, I'm going to be using white rice. And the rice that I choose to use is the Jasmine white rice by the Goya. I think this is one of the best brands out there, but however, you have several brands that you could use. All you have to do is put it in the pot here. I'm going to serve maybe about 4 people. So we have to make sure that the rice is thoroughly washed. I wash, or you'll say, Jamaicans say, I rinse my rice at least 4 times before I put it on the fire. So you just kind of wash up that starch off of it. And this is good for 4 servings. And of course my hands are clean. So that's 1 wash. And then I bring it up to about a half of water in there. You could use any salt you have that you want to use. This is an iodized salt, the one that is, they say is healthy for you. So yeah, just put about a half a teaspoon of salt in there. Put that in. And then to that, I had a little bit of, you could use butter or you could use margarine in there. I just used maybe a teaspoon of butter. Cover it up real nice and tight, and then you put it on medium low heat because you want this steam. I use foil on it because it makes the steam stays in and it gives the rice a nice shelly, tasty look to it. Not only does it look good, but it tastes nice. See how nice and shelly that is? That's exactly what we're looking for. So here we have the final touches of our dish, our Jamaican style curry chicken with a little bit of potato in it, white rice, and some steamed vegetable on the side. Enjoy!